everyone. Welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark.
Hey, I'm Xena. Today we're doing two essential real-life conversations, ordering food at a restaurant and booking a hotel room. These are situations you'll face when traveling or living in an English-speaking country.
Sparkly fun. Let's dive in.
Ordering food at a restaurant. Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Bistro. Do you have a reservation?
Hi, yes, I have a reservation for two under the name Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, I see it here. Johnson, party of 2 at 7 o'clock. Perfect. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Here's your table. Is this okay for you?
Actually, would it be possible to sit by the window? I know I didn't request it when I made the reservation, but if it's available.
Let me see. Oh, yes, we do have a window table available. No problem at all. Follow me.
Great, thank you so much.
Here you go. Your server will be with you shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Hi there. My name is Xena, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Hi, yes, I'll have a glass of red wine. What do you recommend?
Our house Cabernet is excellent. It's smooth and pairs really well with most of our entrees.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Perfect. And for you?
I'll just have water with lemon, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still is fine.
Great. I'll be right back with your drinks. In the meantime, feel free to look over the menu.
Thank you.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we need just a couple more minutes. The menu looks amazing, but there are so many options.
Take your time. I'll check back in a few minutes.
Actually, quick question. The grilled salmon, what does it come with?
The salmon comes with roasted vegetables and your choice of rice pilaf or mashed potatoes.
Perfect. And is it very spicy?
Not at all. It has a light lemon herb seasoning. Very mild.
Great, thank you.
No problem. I'll be back shortly.
Okay, I think I know what I want. What about you?
I'm torn between the chicken and the pasta. What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the salmon. It sounds really good.
You know what? I think I'll get the fettuccine alfredo.
Good choice.
All right, have we decided?
Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon with the mashed potatoes.
Excellent choice. And for you?
I'll have the fettuccine alfredo.
Would you like to add chicken or shrimp to that?
Ooh, I didn't realize that was an option. How much extra is the shrimp?
It's $6 extra.
Okay, yes, I'll add the shrimp.
Perfect. And would you like a salad or soup to start?
What kind of soup do you have?
Today we have tomato basil or French onion.
I'll have the tomato basil.
Great. And for you?
I'll have the Caesar salad.
Wonderful. I'll put that in for you. Your appetizers should be out in just a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here's your tomato basil soup.
Oh, wow, this smells amazing.
And your Caesar salad. Can I get you anything else right now?
No, we're good, thank you.
Enjoy.
The soup is incredible.
Right? I'm so glad we came here. My salad is really good too.
We should come here more often.
Agreed.
All right, here we have the grilled salmon
Thank you.
and the fettuccine alfredo with shrimp. Careful, these plates are very hot.
Thanks.
Can I get you anything else? Fresh pepper, Parmesan cheese?
Actually, can I get some extra Parmesan?
Of course, I'll bring that right out.
Thank you.
Here's your Parmesan. How is everything tasting?
It's delicious. Really, really good.
Same here. The salmon is cooked perfectly.
Wonderful. I'm so glad. Enjoy.
I am so full. That was so much food.
Me too, but it was so good.
How are we doing over here? Can I clear these plates?
Yes, please. Everything was excellent.
I'm so happy to hear that. Can I interest you in dessert tonight? We have chocolate lava cake, tiramisu, or cheesecake.
Oh gosh, I'm so full, but that chocolate lava cake sounds tempting.
It's our most popular dessert, and it's big enough to share.
What do you think? Should we split one?
I could probably manage a few bites.
Okay, let's do it. We'll split the chocolate lava cake.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out.
And could we also get the check when you have a chance?
Absolutely.
Here's your chocolate lava cake with 2 spoons, and here's your check. There's no rush at all, whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Right? So rich and gooey.
Okay, I'm officially stuffed now.
Same. That was such a good meal.
All right, let me see the damage. Oh, not bad. Do you want to split it?
Sure. It's about 35 each with tip.
Perfect.
Here you go. We're all set.
Thank you so much. I'll take this up to the register for you.
Actually, we'd like to leave the tip in cash.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You gave us great service. Thank you.
You're so welcome. I hope you have a wonderful evening.
You too. Booking a hotel room.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Riverside Hotel. This is Xena speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for next weekend.
Certainly. What dates are you looking at?
I need a room for Friday, June 15th through Sunday, June 17th, so 2 nights.
Perfect. And how many guests will be staying?
Just 2, me and my wife.
Great. Let me check our availability for those dates. Yes, we do have rooms available. We have standard queen rooms and deluxe king rooms. Which would you prefer?
What's the difference between them?
The standard queen has 1 queen bed and is about 300 square feet. The deluxe king has 1 king bed, is larger at 400 square feet, and includes a small sitting area with a sofa.
And the price difference?
The standard queen is $129 per night, and the deluxe king is $179 per night, plus taxes and fees.
What kind of view do they have?
Both room types are available with either a city view or a river view. The river view rooms are $30 more per night.
Okay, I think we'll go with the deluxe king with a river view.
Excellent choice. That's very popular. So that's the deluxe king with river view for 2 nights, June 15th and 16th, checking out on the 17th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. What time do you expect to arrive?
Probably around 4 or 5 p.m.
No problem. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., so you'll be all set. Now, does the room include breakfast?
I was going to ask about that. Is breakfast included or is it extra?
We offer a complimentary continental breakfast for all guests from 6:30 to 10 a.m. It includes coffee, juice, pastries, fruits, yogurt, and cereal.
Oh, great. That's perfect.
We also have a full-service restaurant if you'd like a hot breakfast, but that would be a la carte.
Good to know. The continental breakfast should be fine.
Wonderful. Now let me get your information. Can I have your full name, please?
It's Spark Johnson. SparkJohnson.
Thank you. And a phone number where we can reach you.
555-234-8976.
And an email address.
It's spark.johnson@email.com.
Perfect. And how will you be paying today? We require a credit card to hold the reservation.
I'll use my Visa.
Great. Can I get the card number?
It's 4423-5567-8899-1234.
And the expiration date.
0827.
Thank you. And the billing zip code.
90210.
Perfect. Just to let you know, we will place a hold on your card for the full amount plus a $50 incidental deposit. The incidental deposit will be released at checkout.
Okay, that's fine.
And what's your cancellation policy?
Great question. You can cancel up to 24 hours before your check-in date for a full refund. If you cancel within 24 hours, you'll be charged for 1 night.
Got it. That sounds reasonable. Is there anything else I need from you? Just a couple more questions. Will you need parking?
Yes. How much is parking?
Parking is $20 per night for hotel guests. It's self-parking in our covered garage.
Okay, yes, I'll need parking.
I'll make a note of that. And do you have any special requests or needs?
Actually, yes. Is it possible to get a room on a higher floor?
Absolutely. I'll put you on the 8th floor. We have a beautiful Riverview room available there.
Perfect. And one more thing. Do you have a gym or fitness center?
Yes, we have a 24-hour fitness center on the 2nd floor. It has treadmills, ellipticals, weights, and yoga mats.
Great. And is there a pool?
We do have an indoor pool. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily.
Awesome. My wife will be happy to hear that.
Wonderful. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I think that covers everything. Oh, wait, one more thing. Is the hotel close to downtown? We're planning to do some sightseeing.
Yes, we're about a 10-minute walk from downtown, and we're right next to the riverfront walking path, which is beautiful.
Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted.
You're going to love it. All right, Mr. Johnson, you're all set. Your confirmation number is RT784219. I'm sending a confirmation email to the address you provided.
Great. And just to confirm, check-in is at 3 p.m. on Friday the 15th.
That's correct. And check-out is at 11 a.m. on Sunday the 17th.
Perfect.
Wonderful. If you need to check out later, we do offer late checkout for an additional fee subject to availability.
Good to know. I think we'll be fine with 11.
Wonderful. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
I think that's everything. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We look forward to seeing you on June 15th. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Goodbye.
All right, everyone. Those were 2 essential conversations.
Notice the polite language. Would it be possible? Could I get? I'd like?
We asked clarifying questions. What does it come with? What's the difference? What's included?
We confirmed information. Just to confirm, is that correct? So that's...
These phrases make communication clear and prevent misunderstandings.
In restaurants, don't be afraid to ask about menu items or make special requests.
When booking hotels, always ask about fees, amenities, and policies.
Practice these conversations out loud.
Thanks for listening to English Go Easy.
These real-life scenarios will help you feel confident in English-speaking situations.
Subscribe for more practical English content.
Until next time, keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.